Hello Flutter developers, welcome to Flutter Queen channel. This is my first video and here you will learn about tips and tricks and each and everything about Flutter and Dart. Also we will talk about events related to Flutter or programming. So all you know that Hacktoberfest is going on. I know I'm a little late, but I need to create this video because this is my first video. That's why. Okay, so we will talk about what is Hacktoberfest, what is the purpose of it, how to participate in it, and what do we get from it. Is Hacktoberfest a hackathon or not? So, Hacktoberfest is a month-long global event run by DigitalOcean to contribute to open source projects and softwares. What is open source? Open source projects are those projects in which in which developers from all over the world can contribute, can make some changes through PR. So what is the purpose of it? Its purpose is to encourage open source developers, especially beginners, to contribute to open source projects through pull request. It's good for beginners, so they will learn how to participate, how to contribute to any open source project, and they can make some connections. Also, they can be a part of Hacktoberfest Swag Achiever. Is Hacktoberfest a hackathon? Yes, it is a open source hackathon. Now, most of the questions from beginners I get, how do I participate, how do I apply, and what do we get? To be part of Hacktoberfest, you must have a GitHub account. If you don't have GitHub, then you cannot be a part of Hacktoberfest. Okay, so make sure you have a GitHub. Go to this site hacktoberfest.com 2020. Make sure, and then click on the registration. Either initiate with GitHub or GitLab. If you have GitLab, then go with the GitLab, and I have a GitHub. I'll go with the GitHub. Okay, after registration, scroll down. After registration, go scroll down and check your name and email, and then select a contributor, maintainer, event organizer. Okay, if you are beginner, then go with the contributor. Contributor are the one who contribute to open source repositories, and maintainer are the one who maintains a repository for Hacktoberfest for the developers to accept pull request. Okay, what is your experience level? If you are beginner, then how would you like to contribute, code or no code? In the no code, you can create some designs, UI UX of app or website, and also send PR of it. Okay, so I'll go with the code because I want to contribute to Flutter projects. Okay, then must select your country. I'm from Pakistan, so I select Pakistan. Okay, must check this Hopeland badge because it will give you some achievement badges while you are submitting your PRs or accepted by the Hacktoberfest. If you need some marketing updates, if you want to receive, then you can check one of them. I don't want any marketing updates, so I'm not checking in it. Acknowledge, acknowledge, and acknowledge. Okay, register. This is all done. Now go to your GitHub account and I'll show you how you can contribute to any repository. Okay, this is my GitHub, and here is in the search bar write Hacktoberfest Flutter. If you want to contribute to JavaScript, write JavaScript, HTML, CSS. It's your choice. I got 1500 repositories result. Before exploring or contribute to any repository, go to this sorted tab, select recently updated, so you can get 2020 Hacktoberfest repositories. Okay. Explore one of them. Like I'll go to this repository, Flutter UI Design Hacktoberfest from Tanmay. Scroll down and read the readme.md file. Make sure you read it carefully. Hacktoberfest instructions, like how to contribute to it. There's some rules like fork it, star it. Also add your details in contributing.md file. Okay, after reading this, there are some repository maintainers who create some issues and some are don't create issues. So go to this issue tab, and he created an issue like Zomato app UI, and make sure you check there is a assignee or not. These people are assignees to these issues. Okay, as you can see, I'm also here because I created a travel app UI. What I did, I go to this issue travel app UI, and I write, can I contribute to this issue? Make sure you check there is no assignees, then you can write, can I contribute, can I work on this? So he said, yeah, sure, and he already assigned me because he knows the rule. Okay, so he assigned me, and then I write thank you so much, and I started working on it. If the maintainer don't assign you and it takes some time, don't start your work until you assign this issue or project. Okay, issue, you can fork this and it creates a copy of that repository. You can write your repository name and description like I did. Let me show you my repository. I created a travel app UI Hacktoberfest. So I forked this repository from Tanmay. As you can see this. After fork, clone it and then start working on it. Then push your work in that repository and then create some pull request. When you create this pull request, you can write in the heading travel app UI and write your description. Hey, I created a travel app UI design for Hacktoberfest. Kindly check it and merge it. Tanmay will check your design, see your code, and he will merge. Okay, then go to your hacktoberfest.com. Okay, then you go to your Hacktoberfest. And check your progress. Okay, first, when you created a pull request, it shows like this, not accepted by the Tanmay. Okay, you can check your PR has not yet been accepted by a maintainer. When Tanmay accept my pull request, then it shows me the timer. Hacktoberfest will take 7 days to check my repository or maybe my pull request. Awesome, your PR has been accepted by a maintainer and is in a 7 days review period. There is a review period of 7 days. After 7 days, you can see this green accepted button. What it says, congratulations, your PR has been accepted for Hacktoberfest and now counts toward your participation. As you can see, there in your progress tab, you can see I contributed to 10 repositories. When your one pull request is merged and accepted by the Hacktoberfest, there is a progress by like 1 by 4, 2 by 4, and something. Okay, so 3 questions raises. First question is, like, when you search Hacktoberfest Flutter. So first question is, do we need to check the repository sponsor or not? No, it is not necessary. You can contribute to any repository, either it's sponsor or not. Okay. Second question is that do we need to check there is a lot of star or not? If there is only 1 star, you can contribute to that repository. You don't need to check like high star or few stars on that repository. Okay, third question is that do we need to contribute to only 4 repositories or we can do more? You can do as much as you can. Like, I contributed to 10 repositories because I was so excited and this was my first time. So as you can see, 9 repositories are 9 pull requests are accepted by the Hacktoberfest. Okay, 1 is in waiting. When 4 by 4 is completed, you can check, you will get some badges like first in the I got the registration badge, then I got my first pull request badge, second, third and fourth. Let me show you Hopland badges. Okay, I told you to check on the Hopland. So as you can see, there is my profile. You can complete your profile. Okay, when you register for Hacktoberfest, you will get this Hacktoberfest registration badge. When your first PR accepted by the Hacktoberfest, you will get this for second and for fourth. This fourth lock contributor badge, you can share it on your LinkedIn, on social handles to show that you are the open source contributor. Okay, after 4 completed, you can see there is a dev badge. They will give you a dev badge as well, and also they will give you a swag bag or tree. Okay, you can select a swag bag or tree. Now the last thing but not least, what do you get from this Hacktoberfest? If we search on Google that what do we get, Hacktoberfest swag. In the Hacktoberfest swag, you will get some stickers and the t-shirt, as you can see here. Okay, most of the people share it on their Instagram or LinkedIn to show as a Hacktoberfest contributor or swag achiever. Okay, these shirts are so valuable. Okay, so make sure you participate in it and be a open source contributor. Okay, that's all for the Hacktoberfest, and that's all for my first video. Make sure you subscribe it and share this video as much as you can, and thank you.